Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I'm Nabila Farihatunisa and this video is made to fulfill the task of teaching media for young learners, and Miss Hika is the lecturer of this course. First of all, let me introduce my teaching media. This is Numbers King. The discipline is language classes or basic vocabulary. It is for 6th grade. The objective is to learn the ordinal and cardinal number. It is played by group that contains 2 till 4 students. Okay, move to the materials and tools of this teaching media. There are carton papers. The colors are gold, yellow, red, blue, white, and green. Then the tools. There are scissors, marker, eraser, pencil, tape, double tape, and ruler. Okay, move to the step how to make this teaching media. For the pounds, I don't make it. I use short button as the pounds. There are 16 short buttons: red, yellow, blue, and green. Next, the dice. For the dice, I make it from gold carton paper. First, I make the pattern and cut it. Then, I fold the paper based on the line. After that, I unite it and the shape of the dice is formed. Next step, I cut the white paper to make the white circle of the dice. Then I glue them, and finally the dice is all ready to be used. The last is board. First, cut the white paper with 30 centimeters of all sides. Then, make the lines. It is 2.5 centimeters of each square of the board. On the board, there are 4 big squares as Pound's home. They have different color: red, yellow, green, and blue. To make them, cut the carton paper to cover the side of big square. It is around the big square. Then, I make 6 little squares for each color. One as a starting point and the others as steps to reach finish. For the finish line, it has triangle shape. So, I cut the paper in triangle shape. Then, for the home, there are 4 circles. I make it with gold paper. I also make 4 squares with white paper as home base. Then, I put double tape behind them. After that, I put 4 circles and glue them on the white paper. Next, I glue them on the home or big square, and finally, the component of the board is finished. Then, I draw star shape on the certain place as a safe place in the game using marker. The next step is write the numbers on the board. I write random numbers. For the starting points, all of them is written with 0. And for the finish line, it is written with 100. For the coloring steps to reach finish line, I write ordinal number and another squares with random cardinal number. Finally, the board paper is all ready to be used as a teaching media of number. To use this teaching media, we need board paper, dice, and pounds. It can be played by 2 till 4 students. Next is the procedure of this teaching media. To out from the house, the student should get 6.
0.
After that, the student can move from the starting point depend on the number of the dice. The student has to mention the number based on the square she or he stopped in English.
$29.
Good. The student has 3 chances to mention the correct number. If she or he cannot mention it, she or he has to back to the square before.
$30.
No, try again.
$31.
Still wrong.
$32.
It's not correct. Sorry, you have to go back. If the student stops at the start point, she or he doesn't necessary to mention number. Just say, I'm safe. No one cannot send her or him back home.
I'm safe.
At the start point, it can be filled by one or more students.
I'm safe.
If the student stops at the same place with another students, she or he can send her or him back home. It will happen if she or he can mention the correct number.
$73. Oh no, I have to go back.
Student who can enter the finish line first, she or he is the winner.
$100.
That's all from my video. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.